Hey guys, this is JV. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we learn how to add light to the vehicle headlamps. Let's get started. So we'll be working on this image today. Now first of all, create a huge black circle. Now we'll render a lens flare over this. Now I feel the 105mm prime works the best, but you can try other lens flares as well. Once you are done adjusting, hit OK. Now add a curves adjustment layer to make the edges darker. Make sure the clipping button is on. Now select both layers and convert it to Smart Object. Change the blend mode to screen. Now place it right over the headlamp. While holding Alt, click and drag the layer to make a copy. Now position this over the other headlamp. Now let's also turn this into a night scene. To do this, add a color lookup adjustment layer. Select the night from day 3D LUT. Now as you can see, after applying the night filter, the edges of the lens flare feel quite hard. So just open the Smart Object and increase the darkness using the curves adjustment layer. Hit Ctrl S to save. And you're done. I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure to drop a like and a comment down below. And if you're new to the channel, a subscribe would be really appreciated. I'll see you guys again in the next video.